Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this cute couple painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the requirements of this painting. And in the first step we are going to paint the train. So here I need a very dark shade of purple. At the same time I need a little grey shade of purple. So first I mix the color grey. After mixing the color grey I am going to add the color purple to it. First we need to apply the entire color on the entire canvas. So here I am using my flat brush and applying the color here. Once we apply the color on the entire canvas, we are going to paint doors and some important elements in this train. So before that we have to patient and let the paint dry completely so that we can proceed with the next move. So in the next move I just pasted a tape on this and I'm going to paint the black color between these two tapes. So this will be for our door. This painting idea of couple in train facing each other is suggested by one of my followers and they asked me to paint this. So I made this painting especially for beginners with this easy and simple step-by-step tutorial. Now I am painting the door handle. Here I paint grab handle. In this train painting I didn't give more details. I made this painting especially for beginners, so I made everything in a very simple way so beginners can find it easy. In the second step we are going to paint the window. To paint the window we need this window frame. So I pasted this masking tape like in this shape and after this I am applying the color white. As you know the background is little dark, we need a very vibrant color, so I just apply the white as the base. Before we add colors, we have to check if the layer is completely dry. Once the layer is completely dry, we are going to paint the scenery. So in this window, we are going to paint the sky and river. So the river reflects the colors of the sky. So we are going to use the same color again. This is the simple scenery we need in this painting. So I didn't paint anything so exaggerated or complicated. I just paint a very simple scenery for this window. The scenery in the window is like a scenery painting of a sunset. So I chose the colors carefully for the very pleasing and aesthetic sunset. Once we finish painting the sky and the river, now let's paint the mountain. To paint the mountain, we need a very dark shade of pink. So I apply the color black to the pink. Using my round brush carefully, here I paint the silhouette of the mountains. Now it's time to paint the river bank. As it is a sunset painting, we are going to paint the sun and the reflection of the sun. So here I use the color yellow. For the reflection of the sun, I use the color white. Here I am using my detailing brush to paint the very tiny detail and flat lines. After removing the tape, I am going to draw this door frame. Once I draw this, I am going to apply the color. So this outline is really helpful for me to paint a very defined outline for the frame. Now it's time to add some highlight in the door handle, grab handle, also the window frame. So here I use the color grey for the highlight, adding the dark value, light value and highlights to our painting, and this make our painting three-dimensional. Let's move into the third step. So in the third step we are going to paint the girl. So I already traced the image of the girl. The image link in my description. You can save that image to your painting. In the girl painting, first we need to give the color for the skin. So the color I use here is pink, yellow and pink. If you don't have these two colors, then you can use yellow ochre and pink. For the hair, I mix the color brown and orange, so the color is really beautiful. So here I want to have a color brown for the hair. So here I am applying the color. Once we apply the color base, then we can go ahead and add more highlights or dark value in this hair painting. For the cloth I chose the color light blue, so here I mix the color blue with more white to have this light shade of blue. As you can see in this girl painting, first I give the base color for the skin, hair and the cloth. Once we finish the base, and then we can go ahead with the highlight and dark values. To add the shadow or dark values in the hair, I mix the color black and brown. Here I am applying the color. Now I am carefully painting the eye. In the final and the fourth step, we are going to paint the boy. So as we painted the girl, we use the same technique here. So first we apply the color for the skin. If you are new to my channel, I am Rexana and I love to paint with acrylics, and here I am sharing my art knowledge. If you find my tutorial is really easy and simple, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel Rexana Art, and also remember to follow me in my Instagram to know all the regular updates about my paintings. This is the final look of our painting. If you like this painting, please let me know in the comment section, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.